Hello everyone, this is Manas Idana and I am here to discuss about the importance of books. First of all, I am going to tell you about what are the journal importance of books. So here is my Word document. Books are also known as man's best friend. We have been studying from books since our childhood. Many of us have a habit of reading books. It is rightly said by successful people that consistent reading of books lead you to success. The process is quite clear. To be successful, we need to acquire knowledge, and books are an ocean of knowledge. Since ancient times, books are having a crucial importance. Books boost our imagination. We can think more widely, which increases our creativity. If we are reading books, then we are not just bound to one thing. We have the world to explore and learn from it sitting in a room. General benefits of books are build confidence, illuminate imagination, tell us about the world, improves our concentration, improves vocabulary, gives peace. And these are few of the advantages of reading books, but there are many more. Now here is a presentation which is telling the importance of books. So the other advantages are it is an excellent hobby, helps in self-improvement, introduce us to things and perspectives, improve writing skills, tell us about crucial life experiences, help us learn about various cultures, helps us to get rid of the stress. Next is advantages of books for students. It increases vocabulary, improves reading, increases our imagination, creates empathy, changes perspective, and keeps us entertained. The last one is the website which I am using. This is the Journal Decline of Reading in Today's Time. It is by John Halls. He's just telling that I return to the issue of reading from time to time, both because I am an obsessive seriously reader and have been since I was a teenager, and because the signs of significant decline in book reading with potentially disastrous consequences for our country are mounting. He also told that in America the most widely discussed indications of the decline in serious reading have come from the National Endowment for the Arts. For example, that agency's 2004 report, Reading at Risk, revealed that only 46% of the population read literature, down from 54% in 1992 and from about 57% in 1982. Thank you.